Welcome to our channel. If you want to unlike Instagram posts in bulk, follow these step-by-step instructions, noting that Instagram does not officially support bulk unliking. Step 1. Understand that Instagram does not provide a native bulk unlike feature, so unliking must be done manually or through third-party tools which carry risks. Step 2. Open the Instagram app and navigate to Settings and Privacy, then Your Activity, then Interactions, and finally, Likes. Step 3. View your complete list of liked posts displayed in reverse chronological order. Step 4. Start manually unliking posts by tapping the heart icon on each one. Create an efficient pattern to process posts quickly. Step 5. Be aware that third-party automation tools or scripts that claim to bulk unlike posts violate Instagram's terms of service and can result in account suspension or permanent ban. Step 6. If you choose to research third-party tools despite the risks, understand that you will need to provide your account credentials, which poses security risks. Step 7. A safer alternative is to dedicate specific time blocks to manual unliking, such as 10 to 15 minutes daily, until you have processed all unwanted likes. Step 8. Consider why you want to unlike everything and whether selectively unliking certain content might achieve your goal more efficiently. Step 9. Remember that your likes influence Instagram's algorithm, so mass unliking will significantly change your content recommendations. Step 10. Proceed with patience, as manual unliking, while time-consuming, is the only safe method that complies with Instagram's policies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.